addressing concerns about the misuse of matrimonial laws, a bench of Justices B.V. Nagarathna and N. Koteshwar Singh said, and I quote, "The provisions in the criminal law are for the protection and empowerment of women, but sometimes are used by certain women more for purposes that they are never meant for." The court said this in its ruling and stressed that while there are laws intended to safeguard women's rights, they are sometimes exploited by certain individuals for purposes never intended by the legislature. The judges commended the misuse of sections 498A, 376, 377 and 506 of the Indian Penal Code, particularly in matrimonial disputes. In recent times, the invocation of these sections as a combined package in most of the complaints related to matrimonial disputes is a practice which has been condemned by this court on several occasions, noted Justice Nagarathna. The case in question involved a short-lived marriage between a US citizen and an Indian woman who lived together for only 3 to 4 months. The woman filed a case of rape against her husband on the same day she was scheduled to appear in a family court for a divorce case filed by the husband. This sequence of events led to the husband's arrest and detention for almost a month. The court observed that the wife's actions were contradictory. She had described herself as a dutiful wife but simultaneously filed a criminal complaint alleging serious offences such as cruelty, outraging modesty, rape and cheating. The court's ruling highlighted a troubling trend where criminal complaints are used not just for seeking justice but as a bargaining tool for monetary demands. In certain cases, the wife and her family tend to use a criminal complaint with all the above serious offences as a platform for negotiation and as a mechanism and a tool to get the husband and his family to comply with most of their demands, which are mostly monetary in nature, noted the bench. Justice Nagarathna also expressed reservations about the tendency of the parties to view maintenance or alimony as a means to equalize wealth with the other party rather than as a legitimate requirement for support. This ruling underscores the need for a more cautious application of matrimonial laws, ensuring that their true purpose, which is to protect and empower, remains intact and that they are not misused to settle personal grievances or extort money from spouses.